Yes, my people. Yes, I don't come for salary girl when my people say me. I continue my video here for video 149. I come up for talk my previous video concerning the church, the weakening of the church for our land. Many man start ask question for yourself, say what if they use for the church? When I start ask the meaning of church, when I open one eye, people they can't say when I was chop now for paradise, but they chop now, get big private can live enjoy. But they tell you now for paradise when you go chop where they chop now. Yes, my people, in my open eye consent church, two way church they do my people. My mama, my papa, Lorua, King Baron don't come again for you talk me all we love my people. Yes, my people, I am one of them. You want this video now, I can't talk na direct for person who I know you. Direct for person who I know you, me when I open my eye, I can't talk about the city mayor in Bamenda. Yeah, this video goes straight to city mayor and the parliamentarian for whom this video concern them too. My people, sometimes they say they feel say that the occultism go continue. But I like them because the occultism don't go for wrong way. I can't send this video for the city mayor for Bamenda Paul. My friend, I come for you for 2018. Give you some documentation consenting will happen for Anglophone land. You tell me, say me, I go see my friend for you one day. I say, no, I don't go there, man, can me respect. You say, no, I get for beg you because I say, I want to talk to Philip country. You see me, I go beg you. I say, impossible. You say, you go try for call you. You take my number. I carry you from my motor, my city mayor. You go for big man con, you go enter Baba, you chef me every day. Me, I will talk about Cameroon problem. You know, for CPDM, I'm there before you. I start CPDM for 1990 before you are at Tangajipo. Yeah, the big man for CPJ will put me inside. I don't explain for my previous views. Yeah, Mr. Atanga, Abela the boy, the youngest president for CPJ for Norwest. When they be upon Achija Chu, they upon Mr. Atanga. During a contractor, na me I start CPJ where you are Atanga Jipo was his children for quarter. Now I call na CPT. City Mayor Paul. You come out carry for my moto, my French car. You go for me quarter for your door. A part moto. Our boss then come first batch come 3 of the on Okada. I say she don't me I come out turn for upside and turn they go them. I enter me at the top. They still come again like then 7. You see the area no code. I say don't fear they let's come out outside. You come out from my car turn for your junction Paul city mayor or metakwata see me you will talk I kick my motor go me. If you have our body be kind of for take me. But for your front, I make a man say don't take Baron Bless because the children all belong to us. It's our junior brother, it's our children. No be stranger them. We know them. We know them very well, Paul. No be some people with that way again. Mr. Paul, 2018 mayor just got that one, you see struggle. You become city mayor for Bamenda, Paul. My people, this message go to all the intellectuals for Norwest. All the intellectuals for Norwest. If you una feel say the less privileged they should don't quiet, una they traumatize their spirit. Traumatize their brain. Snake not the barrier first time with the mashi because you know say snake say no for you have to make an error. Now when you mashi, you make a me see one mashi get barrier and then you cure the composing. When I don't traumatize Bamenda people, suffer them for things that happen for Norwest. Me I not disturb myself for city mayor for Bamenda. City mayor on Chenya and Wulang. I can't phone now for this video. Video 148, 48. Now is my history for my life. This video concern Wulang. Mr. City Mayor, you there for Metakwa the stay for house where you don't manage for pay. You don't manage for cope. You get church for Metakwa that we no get 9 people. City Mayor Paul. Now you become City Mayor for Bamenda. Less than 5 years, Paul. You don't be your apartment for station for more than 200 million. You don't be church for station where you don't start get crowd because they come now because you get money. That's why you make yourself to be a fool, city mayor. When he was preaching the word of God, they didn't reach 9. Now you don't get money, they don't reach 100. I come for thank God for Bamenda land, the God for the land. Say, when I don't invest that money now for station, for mob for government, don't the time for exit when I no go stay. I come for big Anglophone elites, Anglophone intellectuals. When they say money, development move is security. When people come, they say they be our elite, like city mayor, elite, not big elite, mayor na elite for the community. You can't take money, invest them. Be a house for 100 millions. Be a church for more than 40-something million. You are small brother, draft RAF card now, they enjoy. When a family where they be able to buy one combo. I know your family, city mayor. Today, you people become billionaire. But you are there to represent the people, city mayor. You can't see we for Congress, we there for front, when I did draft for back. Don't when I think now when I be the fan. For Inter take position for less than no day, when I become billionaire. All Anglophone they know what I talk about. All Anglophone intellectual know what I talk about. When I look hard for city mayor, when I see a church way belong, my people, how can someone work for less than 5 years and then have that type of fortune? Why would not they behave so, my people? But I don't beg my Anglophone picking them. If you take stone throw for his king, it don't win you because you are not digital. All man go see him. For democracy, you need to take gun go shoot man. For democracy, if you catch man, but you not take stone shooty. If you catch man because after the investigation, you know, like me, I'm annoyed. My business don't block. They don't block me. Until I work, I get out for top because I don't pay taxes for 37 years. Until I work, because of particular people, I get out for vex. But I know go vex take gun go for front, my people. I know tell you say petit frère go for front and shoot. No. Something they come for October way big too much now, election. All the other investment where they invest them, when I go see station today, play with the neighbor the bid, they don't put 100 million, 20 million. Now we have money for development, that my people. Now money for development where God don't tell me say it's fine because for edit they will not take time. How can somebody go be mayor less than no day and invest more than 500 million for ground? My people, someone there for whom they call and say Walang. They never arrest it to today. They never arrest the delegate of work for Northwest. Their own contract be done already 93% finish. Got enough as moderator go say no na lie. Then go put camera work never first stand. Walang come talk say with you. If they see prepare for rent caterpillar for Nigeria. For rent caterpillar. My people. I don't send him so last week for last my video for Prime Minister John Kote. Development move to security. Today our children are frustrated. Our children are suffering because there's no development. One person take money for development and put them for your pocket. My people, intellectual for Northwest. Then go be some place for Northwest and for give una gas. My people, una hear the way we dey mock at una. Digital insult, transparency insult, gas for ministry for Yaoundé, platform for gas for Cameroon na 6.5, na 6,500 for gas for Cameroon. Una go be place for gas, no supplier, no route for go there. Say the gas was 12,000, 8,000. They don't help Bamida people for bring gas down. Is that English? Price for gas na 6.5 for Cameroon. Because of una system for take gas go sell for foreign country, gas short, then can open gas fuel station for Northwest. When I say don't help Anglophone people for bring gas for 6.5, for play with room no dey for go. My people, I don't know, but I will speak my experience because they say for English, tomorrow when I picking go ask one question. I say, uncle, I say, pa, this man be the talk, so you be there outside. What you be there for your own head? Because we don't reach 50 years. You feel remember things for 35 years. That gas station where they got open up for Menankwe, it's a modernization, not be development. That's modernism. That's not some picture where they put them for there. Not be development. Not be development that for some country. Now modernization. Road no fit there for go there. When I say no, don't help people put them for 6.5. How much government don't put platform for sell gas? It means say that people, the way the Baba chop the local for sell for Monday, when I know them fine. Now when I equip for the bar chop local for store, sell them for Monday, dear. Don't people they say export for quarter for 1.5. Tomorrow government go say no, export na C50 because you want to help people. Is that English? Propaganda message. English goer. English and French is not our language, it's a borrowed language. My last video, speaking English is not a source of intelligence. My people, who is fooling who? That play with the opener for Norway now is normal, it's our national cake. Now our national cake. When I see it will happen for whom? Me womb mention people know say when government they send contract for womb, now we own share for national cake that. That's the problem. Now from the problem that for 1991 campaign. Say the national cake must go for all the Cameroonian. All we are Cameroonian. They must share the national cake for everybody. Don't wait till they can give you own national cake for Northwest. Now for whole Cameroon, but I'm talking about the region where I know. Where they go school. Now Anglophone for Cameroon go school. Anglophone Bamenda go school for Cameroon. Now when I be people. How many do go send una own money for national cake? For be una village, not be for be Bamenda, for be una village then. So man take and put them for your pocket. Una see I'm top. Deny that. For whom see the upside. Walang see the upside. Delegate or work see the upside. But every day they shoot picking and say they don't go tip sugar cane. So they don't go tip Gary, they knock them kill them. Or put some picture of my people, some pa, go tip some more funny bond the planty, they be BT. Where they never hear arrest Walang. Now than something million. You see receipt paper for them caterpillar. Where the first document don't come out, you don't finish the work for 93%. Is that English? You see, they are not arresting the killers. They are protecting them. Where Wala one can talk when I see me die. When I go ask Wala and say, what will be on contract for more than 50 years parliamentarian for whom he don't finish which contract? If they finish you one, they don't finish which one. My people, that's very poor. Then go for Bambile, shoot a whole lawyer. When I don't see lawyer, I don't talk, no. But then beat lawyer for Douala. Then lock court for 3 days for Northwest and Southwest. Where they beat person. Now when they can't shoot lawyer for point blank. Shoot Ngumba for point blank. All much don't press a talk. My people, there's a time for everything. That medicine will soon finish for an eye. When they fund do the libation, they get chop for God them. Una eye will soon open. But I beg una my people, petit frère, don't if you take gun shoot he don't win you. They will send for woman country so don't abuse it. He go run camp ask for refuge. If you burn the thing, he don't win you. The secret Anglophone elite, the intellectual, when I started be with brother agreeing, but I don't stay for a land. This is my own opinion. Register and vote and take your village. You are not taking Bamenda, take your village. When I hear that way they give money for parliament, 18 billion, we now on national can share the inside. When government give contract for Batibo, national cake day is now we have money for national cake that. If you one person take them because I don't understand how a mayor, city mayor, today don't be house for station, be church, mayor mon frère, it the end months. City mayor the end 50 million per month. Which salary be that? When I stay for Europe, say me then shoot picking them, keep people them. Now some mayor get money for Europe. Now some parliamentarian they work for Europe. Now some senator when I see they know the system, they know everything. But now when they pay them, they go for a year, they pay them before they pay their bills. They need for send wrong message for mislead for now. Because how manage? You go see the way for Europe. Allah as Mr. Atanganji po intermot Europe safety bear. For Europe, if you don't resign. If you don't resign. And they're not for don't right if you don't resign. Because you don't get basic moral education. You need to climb for steering the minister. Kill more to the go when you put safety bear. You never adjust your driving mirror. That's not a driver. That's not a driver. But kudos Abakwa boy. I like you, brother Tanganji man. Courage for your work. My last video I thought you don't succeed. Because pa come them Jean tell me something. Anglophone they know the truth, but they pretend say they don't know. If you know, it means they know. Now when some man fail with the reggae things, Mr. Ambia don't fail. Let's wait the next president. Now failure they remove good ones. If you know fail, you know get sense. Atanganji kudos, you have done your best. You are good. You are doing the practical, not theories. Yes, you will be only Bamenda Pekin. We will go touch the covenant of Pope Francois. Now blessing that for Northwest. Anglophone they don't know, but tomorrow they will appreciate. Now Bamenda Pekin go touch the covenant for Francois. It's a history. Now history that tomorrow. Atanganji, thank you for your difficult mission. If you are fit to you yesterday, you did for my couloir for business. Today you are a big boy. I respect your way. Bros, kudos. I don't call you petit frère again and sense I get do before you, no be I get each pass you. you know the truth. I enter CPGM before you. Don't you know the truth? Don't en tout cas, you know if you bang me because you don't for quarter security. Say how you do bang your grand. Man, we get do before you, not jealousy. You don't get there do, so I don't put out for you. You don't get do for poor. Poor don't go knock you. You know if you take your apartment, put on for city mayor, look to you to do them. You don't take your combi, we no get chop, you no get shoe for well, I'm less than 5 years, you get more than 1 billion. That's open stealing, Mr. Atanganjipo. Mr. Atanganjipo, your Lucifer friend, they work and give money for CPJ people. That's corruption. It need to happen for no place. What you are doing is against the law. That's true. The whole world is here. Giving money for people, the international community, the way we for October. All man, all the whole world, they wait for see the way we would have win election. When they give money, all man the same, all man the same. When I give people bread and chocolate, bread and 2,000, 1 cup sardine, the whole world is same. First time they say less privileged to go take bread. They don't see the picture where come on last time. Maybe na chicha they go take bread. Now responsible people go take bread. They chop them, they open their eye. My people, when I see people who want to take that girl picking get a husband. If you man chop bread, fight for 2,000. We get for baby, same picking for school. That's why you have problem. Now, why I beg my parents then? We need to educate our children. Please, we need to educate our children. They were another they talk say please, but I don't beg you one. We need to educate our siblings. Our children need basic education, moral education. Yes, and then the problem where they go down for terrain, where it happen for Anglophone land today, now we get for Southern. Anglophone a different culture, Francophone a different culture. But the culture where we get and a culture where we no book. May Anglophone then come together for their community, solve their problem. When I come together for a community, when I elect, when I know mayor, when I know parliamentarian. If you want to word me someone tell you say election no day, you know say na your brother be mayor. They pay for me maintain the position. If you listen for that man for officer say no election no day, that man will still continue. 2018 they be talks with no election now. 70 people go vote. CPT get 100% for Northwest for 70 people. Not them day for chair. When they every day they go meeting for parliament, they take national cake for Northwest Gun for them. They put them for their pocket. All man know them. All man they see them. When they say when they go 20 men, no, for some place where 20 men no they. Village they don't start come back. People don't start listening to me. They don't start and nobody say listen to me. I know they fight for get position. I started make video concern Anglophone program for 2009. I hear people they fighting and me don't do so. No, I don't do that kind of thing. My page no be. I don't say no like it. Don't share it. Learn. Educate your people. Educate yourself. When they come from my page, they talk about marry for my junior brother. Say no marry woman we don't really born pikin. You are wrong. You are wrong. No buy export we don't open them. You never buy export. If you go open export we don't open them. You know hear that sound say psst, that export no test if you are more. We open member, you know you try for don't form. You know doing that member. It means it don't flat. Let's be doing things naturally. Yes. No, you're looking for marrying widows. No, you get for marrying a tradition. Marrying a tradition is an oath. When I see family where the kiki is also, who will marry that picking tomorrow? Nobody. If you go marry some girl, they say, now Chris Anu, his sister, you marry them. No, you're not fit. That bad blood go enter. I don't make for my last video, I tell you now. First time, party did not for send that picking for army work because you go bring bad money for family. Party did not for bring that picking for lawyer. I don't hear some lawyer try for make investigation about me. Petit frère, we can't ask me my store. I sorry you. I don't want to worry me you. I know the bad for bad. Yeah, because before you want thing to head bad on I don't really know about you. Don't be worried. I say plenty petit. I don't talk for my video. Many are coffee are choosing. 90% of the lawyer in my are there for money because all of you are failed. Yeah, the knock lawyer when I come out lock place for 3 days, my friend. 3 days when I lock place them. 3 days when I lock out for be away in knock person. Now then he when I laugh colleague in action, colleague for bamboo, you know talk Ngumba, they shoot and no man talk. They shoot Ngumba, they know the picky they shoot and no man talk. But for Francophone side, they key man for night, they look up for more time and no Cameroon. You get what they call for Cameroon say GSO enquête. When I forget say that part don't owe they spoil the work. But Cameroon no enquête. Man will tell me na pas for Chivé. And lui, inspecteur Mvogo. Now my patron that now Foshive give me, when Foshive discovered me for 1989, 90 he give me from Mvogo, for Bamenda. He pay Mvogo, they stay for back travelers. Yeah, don't I know that my position, I know that's what I talk about. My own human being approved, action in there for fee. Don't we know the truth? Cameroon get long of investigation. But that one a federal law. Yes, we want federal law, the town. Now when I don't go talk for social media, first time when I go come out for commercial, no whole band. Now time don't do for complain, when I complain. But sorry, the lawyer they go teacher they say take their salary. Yeah, when I lawyer don't go for shop. I be surprised when I recall people for part I say McLaren. And they ask for Bamela and lawyer the salon all man happily. They don't break or half, grand good morning. Why when the salon people say grand you come to salon neighbor? Why before when I need the salon people? When I be first of salon people. well, poor people. Money is not for use, friend. Money is your brain. Where the find money will confuse you. Money is vanity, and to shaman. Where you get them, keep them for you, it will confuse you. When I look all the people, we don't spoil, so when I picking them for ill them. I don't tell my last video. When I go for now, that small girl where they work naked, na picking away that my media for front church the dance, na picking for head for church. All that picking away don't condemn HIV card and na picking for magistrate. When I know all no, I'm go talk. When I catch me, I'll call like 10 magistrate. Maybe they can't stand me, they make check off for the skin, for the woman, for the picking. When I see the result, I'm talking the proofs. Human be proof, please. I don't get what off my mouth. It's true. Don't when I we get for change the problem. Maybe someone get for hell of I be surprised say this Dive man for Baba who play a video for my page where talk about Baba call name for people. He call name for people them today. They never catch them. It's funny. They never catch that name where that man call for Baba. He call name them. Something I'll put on my page where my contributor will show the way creating you pay money. Ambazonia General go talk the name for the president. President for what I call it. Man with the handing meeting for credit union. Send ticket for credit union. He call your name. Your name, when I hear they call ye for us and say they will pay their share now how. All man they pay for Northwest, it's a business. You see, they choose the less privilege. They credit when I come out for war. They bring when a problem. Petrol, when I look petrol for Northwest. How much petrol be they pay taxes for Northwest? Petrol be they pay taxes for Northwest almost. Now it don't become individual business. When I say, some people want imagine I like them because after any war, they will go for exit. I remember for Bamenda, for where we would do think for Bamenda, no this will be happening before. Bamenda began a cotton. When I run transform cotton for kidnapping, Bamenda began a cotton in those days. Cotton. Now the cotton don't go transfer for kidnapping. First time now, uniform people will make cotton. But now all man they make cotton now. As you look in the part of man where you know so far for you carry put on for the gear on share. It's just a business for Northwest. It's a business where when we feed the stuff for say stop, it go stop. Now we always say continue, let's be enjoying. I did it too. I had to suffer. I cannot be happy when we are suffering. Yes, there's no place like whom I'm suffering. That's true. But no prayer, no day. I know say the God who are the servant, they always tell me there's a time for everything. Yeah, my people. Yeah, Jim Walange for be arrested. They go for work for no work for be arrested. People don't get for be arrested. But no pay, no day. Me when I not bring them problem. Me no man no arrest them as soon as I like them. But the next Cameroon, they go exit all them. Now to find me, it don't come from my head. In those days, we began a state of emergency. We began a state of emergency for Northwest for months. No man will be paid what I be. No man will be paid at be. But time where normal should be returned. All man will remember. People will be paid B for 1 point something. People will pay what I be for 2 point something. Don't after war the more edition. It don't necessarily there for the war. After war there must be an edition. The other compound, the frustration, the more edit them. Yeah, inside killing, blood, when I be that kind of house. My previous video, I tell one of my people, some God sent some picking for the war, my country people, man when no man ever see your face, no man know ye. Moga mo picking, now you don't declare video commodity for your language here, now moga mo picking, no man no know ye. When I see what way that man to do, if that man be there, my people, also we for day. I don't talk say no matter everything we do, if he turn today and I'm start keep people, I must see support he know for do fine thing. I know say for Anglophone Bamenda, we do Anglophone man 99 good. They will do one bad. He will forget the 99 good. That's Anglophone. My country people, let it do 99 bad. I will recognize see. That guy is a godsend. I don't create some picking. Okana Siri Clovis. That picking, when I look to that picking, they do. Clovis now the one for which day where they go gather people since the last they move money by the Mimbo. Where Clovis get wetty. Where are the elite? Where are the elite? Clovis the show village them for Southwest. Where fund the don't run palace doesn't grow for if you fund for village you run. When I expect me that me picking them for that village get lucky. When fund for village run, no man if you marry picking for that village. No picking for that village, no forget blessing. If your village get problem, no say you will get problem for your marriage, you will get problem for education, you're picking them because the God for your land is annoyed. When your palace get problem, no say you will there everywhere you are, you will get problem. And when I remember my people, I don't tell my business. My business is prestigitation, casino, overlasting, play with the sleep prostitute. That's my business. Shop there, Katika. Plenty that picking away they do the things so they don't know that part. When I hear person say, when I kill him, when I shoot him, you don't get feelings. Because when all man go start go work for a village, for bring back a village on, he no go no place. They have no village. Because when they come for Europe, hey, when I do so, me them go back take asylum. When they talk so, when I put them for back, say, arrest, me take and go show for asylum, for get paper. They talk so me when I threaten them, me them go back for get paper. Because they are nowhere. They don't confuse. This land for this land, a land for Sodom and Gomorrah. Problem day, not be lie, problem day. But till we got to tell me for tell my people, we can solve our problem. One person there, I know I'm forgetting. When I see it happen for Northwest people, my people. Now one picking come out for Mogamo. Hele be for drink water, so the all man don't wear fine clothes. So the all man don't sleep for us, they bring them my country people do. But some one picking there for Northwest, when I you one fit for front. Mba Erimba weak election for my phone for 2007 for Batibu. I know the power in that guy. Now, man, that way if we would have been done there fan, now man would have represent them. The first bâtonnier for succeed for make exam. Anglophone they get sense. Anglophone they get sense. Una from Cambe they get ngala Gerard. For Moga Mona we get 2 pikin. But from Cambe they get 2 pikin ngala Gerard and Mayor Shea. Ngala Gerard and Mayor Shea and the palace. When I see the war from Cambe, 20 minutes for the go be in a street. Oh, he go first fine. Because God can emo fine past 2017-18 emo fine. When I look the way Mogamo picking they do, me when I wake up the intelligence when I beg him back, now you see get age for energy. Me turn up for front. When I not get no man for represent when I the president. Who be when I opposition no day. I don't beg all man go register. Vote all party, no vote SDL, no vote CPDM. When I see the way they draft party them for their own village, but they come for now agreeing their own party. No, my people. Politics now do me, I do you, give me, I give you. Now we bring the thing for Cameroon na pa Achijatu, pa Salmon Achijatu. Scratch my back, I scratch your back. You go for my village, it drive you so if you make campaign for your village. Be come for your village, make campaign you green. And who some few people. When I see they give back roles, they promote back roles in position for ministry. When I see back roles do, Bengui, no matter all the face, your face shows say he be shameless for your face. But when they give some person minister, it's not for the individual, not for the village. When they give battle means they promote battle for minister, it go back now from Bengui. Now minister for the whole village, not even battles alone. Me are the best for them because they need to control them, their citizens. They need to say when I do the work, when I don't take the money, and when I know they don't take the money, and me I know the way they share the money. My people, all of them are prisoners. I say all of them are prisoners. When I see the way at the table now, when I don't say for Europe, how many man go tell say he don't finish contract for 93%? Then go one over first time and start. You say they see prepare for rent caterpillar, and the person see they also how. Now we are open na police na for cash na, gendarme na for cash, magistrat na for cash, lawyer na for Josh na. Mawe don't go to plenty. Picking the old landlord 6 months, 30,000, 5,000 per month, he no be able to pay. But anglophone picking, anglophone man, I thought anglophone picking, francophone man if you do so. You do owe your landlord 6 months, 30,000 if you pay. But you go find 450,000, go pay lawyer. Make and defend you. Now so on a day. We get for educate our children. More than no days for Northwest again. We are out of the topic for everything we are doing. We are living by the opposite. People they take our money for development, transform all when are picking them for drug addict. If the money be the go for the fee, that picking enough for be Okada rather. Some mayor they by mayor changing. I see work for your dossier mayor. I see follow so your money we don't send for some place. We now go for edit. Mayor Chene, you on what we enter for council. First thing we do, and I go give Okada marriage certificate. When you go take Okada man, give marriage certificate, you know what you don't do for the picking? If you cook for marriage, when I know the meaning of marriage, when I make a picking, man go get woman, get picking, he get for parentage, fit woman, fit picking, take care for yourself. Now what I will see Okada people smell because they cannot pay their personal bill, and you expect for pay some my bill. You don't claim for Okada for more than here the man order for the man. And if you clean him up, and if you clean yourself, you can for pay bills. You can for pay bills. If your money for development, you go for feed, don't for be na Okada. I don't know how for presidency. Okada for next Cameroon get for be from 47 years above. We don't get brain. So me don't come to give a marriage certificate. Marriage certificate may say no man should Mr. Chichenu. But me that to mayor, that's wrong for you. When I don't make them picking them for nowhere for 14 years, 17, the work of family from Blacome may stand. Sex now what if when I've been so we be the sex? Now can I system that when I can put picking for but I don't feel talk for my process video, my people. See anyone if you talk for you because my security purpose. And as if fear. Something more key, man. But I don't fit talk. Because they don't hold meeting for the world. Similar in talk for eliminate African youth. I don't put them for my page. So Africa be too I get advantage because they still get young youth and they kill her every day. When they kill our picking, so they pay them. Because I don't believe say when I will get elite the way they can't take money for development put for our pocket, our children they suffer. When I go see investment, when I go see house for city mayor for Bamenda, when I go see church, when I go evaluate it for 5 years, see the way be there, and then see that money say for employ how many Bamenda picking, 30,000 picking for get employment for that money for one person alone. And that kind of house when I build and so my elite them. When I go down, I will take care for that be them. When I go down, I will take care for that house the one that they build every day. When I see what I call and say mental slavery, my papa come them Jean be tell me. Now black man be say black man, not be white man. You need to the cut stick, left the stems. Wherein for the stem they go shoot. Don't wanna anyway when I cause damage, when I look when I picking them. I hear plenty when I say when I fight for take care for when I future for when I picking them for tomorrow. I come not talk about the picking them for tomorrow now if I get the energy. But when I fight for when I picking them for tomorrow, when I never hear die, when I see the behavior for when I picking them, when I never hear die. My people, 100 power for Northwest, no fish pony chop chair. No power for Norwest, no fish don't practice in my chop chair that I'm proud for you. At least 90%, 98% is failure. That part they collapse the 60 because they don't look around, they don't see my way they will give them chop chair. Now why do they go for church, they baptize and collect the money for the hand? They go for church, they convince them take the money for the hand. Because church is an institution. Now business.